everyone! It's me again, Mariel. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ngayon nga ay may panibago na naman akong tutorial and ito ay para sa aking mga grade 8 students over there, over the screen. So kamusta kayo? Comment kayo sa ating comment section below kung ano na, kamusta na ba ang inyong mathematics life. Ayan. Ayun na nga, kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, please, huwag mo munang kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-like yung video, and of course, i-hit mo na din yung ating notification bell down below para naman palagi kang updated sa mga bago kong tutorials na ina-upload dito sa YouTube. So, maraming salamat sa mga suporta nyo, and of course, kung ikaw ay bumabalik-balik dito sa aking mga tutorials, thank you so much. Okay? So, without further ado, simulan na natin right after the intro. So, our lesson for today's video is all about factoring general trinomial, and this is for grade 8 mathematics first quarter. Okay? So, I want you to listen properly, and of course, you can also jot down important details all about this lesson, and sisimulan na nga natin ito dito sa nasa whiteboard natin sa likod. Okay? So, we have here factoring general trinomial. And when we say general trinomial, it is a trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. And then, in this video, we're gonna focus on factoring general trinomial, ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is equal to 1. Dapat a is equal to 1 yung nakafocus natin dito. Pero, meron din akong gagawin tutorial all about factoring general trinomial where a is greater than 1. So, we have here examples of general trinomial, x squared plus 7x plus 10. And this is an example of a general trinomial where a is equal to 1. Kasi as you can see, itong ating pinaka-a, ayan, di ba, ito yung pinaka-position ng a, that is 1. Kapag walang nakalagay na real numbers or number sa isang variable, automatic meron yung kasamang 1. Okay, palagi nyo yan tatandaan. And ito naman ang example ng general trinomial, 5x squared plus 9x minus 2, where a is greater than 1. Okay, and ito yan. Kasi as you can see, meron tayong real number na 5 dito. So, a is greater than 1. Right? And ngayon nga is we're gonna focus on factoring general trinomial where a is equal to 1. Pero, magagawa din po ako ng tutorials all about this one. Okay? So, erase ko lang. So, alam nyo, mga bunso, madali lang to. Pag natin masyadong pakomplikahin, we're just going to follow 3 steps on how to factor this kind of trinomial. Bakit nga ba sinabing trinomial? Kasi meron tayong 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. And that is tri, from the word itself, tri or trinomial. Okay? Kaya ito ang tinatawag na trinomial. Pero kapag binomial, meron lang siyang 2 terms. Monomial, 1 term. Okay? Ganun lang siya kasimple. So, for the first step in factoring this kind of trinomial, we are just going to list down all the possible factors of c. Okay? Ililista lang natin lahat ng posibleng factors na mayroon kay c. Ito si letter c. Therefore, our c here is 10. So, ano-ano ba yung mga factors ng 10? Ano-ano yung dalawang number na kapag pinag-multiply natin? 10 ang sagot. So, we have 1 times 10. And vice versa, negative 1 times negative 10. Right? Kasi negative times negative is positive. Right? And of course, we have 2 times 5 or negative 2 times negative 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. Right? So, as you can see, hanggang dyan na lang yung mga factors ni 10. Meron lang tayong 1, 10, tsaka 2, and 5. Wala na. 3, wala naman tayong multiply kay 3 para maging 10 yung sagot. Tama? 4, wala din. Therefore, ito lang yan. Okay? Ngayon, let's proceed to step number 2. Ngayon, ito na ang pinaka-exciting part. So, what are we going to do in step number 2 is to find the factors of c whose sum is equal to the constant b. Okay? Ibig sabihin, hahanapin natin sa kanilang apat or sa mga factors ni C, ang magkapares na kapag pinag-add is equal to the constant b. As you can see, our b in here is 7. Ayan, di ba? We have here b, so we have 7. So, tingnan natin. 1 plus 10 is 11. Therefore, hindi siya ang factor na kailangan natin. Negative 1 plus negative 10, that is negative 11. Negative 2 plus negative 5, that is negative 7. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So, therefore, ito hindi siya, no? Kasi negative 11. Ito hindi din kasi negative 7. Ang hinahanap natin is positive 7. Therefore, the factor na kailangan natin for this trinomial is 2 and 5. Okay? Ganun lang siya kasimple. Then, right after that, let us proceed to step number 3. For our step number 3, we are just going to express the binomial factors of the trinomial x squared plus 7x plus 10. Paano? Lagay lang tayo ng dalawang parentheses. Ang gagawin natin dito ay dalawang binomial. So ngayon, ano ba ang factor ni x squared? Ito, ng ating a. Ang factor ng ating x squared is x times x. Okay? So ito ang ipapartner natin kay 2 and 5. Right? Therefore, we have x. Lagay mo lang dyan ang x. Okay? And then, ang ating 2 ay positive. So, we have positive 2. Ang ating 5 is positive as well. So, we have positive 5. Therefore, this is already the factor of the general trinomial x squared plus 7x plus 10. Okay? So, how are we going to check if this fact is correct? Kung tama ba nakuha natin? Pwede tayong gumamit ng FOIL method or the first, outer, inner, and last. Okay? We have first x times x, that is x squared. Outer, x tsaka 5. 5 times x is 5x. Inner, 2 and x. 2 times x equal to 2x. Then our last is 2 and 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And then just simplify by combining the like terms. So, ito wala namang katulad. So, x squared. 5x plus 2x is equal to 7x. Diba? Like terms sila kasi pareha silang may variable na x na may exponent na 1. Okay? And then si 10, wala naman kagayang constant dito. Therefore, that is 10. Is x squared plus 7x plus 10 the same with the given? Yes, of course. Therefore, itong x plus 2 times x plus 5 is the correct factor of the trinomial x squared plus 7x plus 10. Ganun lang siya kasimple. So, for our example number 2, we have here x squared plus 5x minus 24. So, ganun lang din ang process, kagaya lang din ng ating example number 1. Unang step is kukunin mo lang lahat ng factors na mayroon sa ating C. So, negative 24 ang ating C, okay? So, ano-ano ba yung mga factors ni negative 24? So, para hindi kayo masyadong mahirapan, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-factor. Una muna, 1. Count kayo sa ating mga fingers, 1. Ano? Pwede mong i-partner kay 1 na ang sagot ay negative 24. Of course, we have 1 times 24 or negative 1 times 24 kasi we have negative 24, okay? Of course, vice versa natin yan. 24, negative 24 times 1. Okay? Ngayon, sa 2. Sa 2 naman tayo. Anong pwedeng i-partner kay 2? I-multiply kay 2 para 24 yung sagot. We have, of course, 12. Tama? Okay, negative 2 times positive 12. Kasi negative 2 times 12 is negative 24. Also, we have positive 2 times negative 12. Next is 3. Ano pwedeng i-multiply kay 3 para negative 24 ang sagot? Of course, we have negative 3 times 8. Tama? 8 times 3 is 24. Or 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. Then we have 3 times negative 8. Okay? Palagi lang kayo may vice versa. Kasi pwedeng nandoon yung kailangan natin na factor. Minsan, nag-iiba yung sagot depending on its sign. Tama? So, we have also 4. Diba? Negative 4 or positive 4. Ayan, 4. Times, of course, 6. Times negative 6. Okay? When you multiply both, lahat sila, lahat na magkakapares, the answer is negative 24. Okay? Now, di ba nasa 4 na tayo? Ngayon 5 naman. May maipa-partner pa ba tayo kay 5? Para kapag binultiply natin, negative 24 ang sagot? So, isipin nyo yun. So, parang wala na. Kasi as you can see, nandito na tayo sa 6, oh. Ayan, parang dulo na to ng factor. Kasi wala ng 5. 7, of course, wala din, di ba? So now, move on na kayo sa step number 2, of course. So our step number 2 is hanapin dito yung factors na kapag pinag-add natin, ang sagot ay positive 5 or si constant B. So hanapin natin, negative 1 plus 24, that is positive 23. Negative 24 plus 1, that is negative 23. Therefore, hindi sila. Kasi ang hinahanap natin ay positive 5. Okay? Negative 2 plus 12, that is positive 10. Okay? 2 plus negative 12, that is negative 10. Again, hindi pa din sila. Okay? Now, negative 3 plus 8, that is positive 5. Positive 3 plus negative 8, that is negative 5. Okay? So, dyan pa lang kita nyo na kung nasaan yung hinahanap natin. So, you can see, we have here positive 5, and ang hinahanap natin ay positive 5. And of course, alam naman natin, kasi automatic naman, na ang factor ni x raised to 2 is x times x. Okay? So, ilagay nyo lang siya sa kanilang parentheses or the binomial factor. We have x, yan. Kunin natin si negative 3, tsaka si positive 8. We have negative 3, so therefore, x minus 3. Ayan. Then we have positive 8, therefore we have plus 8. And now, this is the final answer, or this is the factor of x squared plus 5x minus 24. We have x minus 3 times x plus 8. Ganun lang siya kasimple. You can also check this using the FOIL method. And now, for our last example, we have x squared minus x minus 2. Okay, so ito, madali lang din. Same process lang kagaya nung kanina, and napakasisimple lang din ng aking mga examples. So, palagi nilang tatandaan yung pinaka-process, kasi kahit mahirap yung examples or mahirap yung pinigay sa inyo na mga quizzes, madali nyo lang yung masasagutan. Okay, so for the first step is of course to find all the factors na mayroon kay C, which is itong negative 2. So, ano ba ang factors ni negative 2? Of course, we have 1 times negative 2. Tama kasi negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Right? And also, we have the vice versa, negative 1 times positive 2. Yan na yan. Hindi na tayo hanap ng ibang factors kasi yan lang yung meron kay negative 2. Then, 1 plus negative 2 is, of course, negative 1. Okay? And also, negative 1 plus 2 is, syempre, positive 1 naman siya. Okay? And ano ba ang hinahanap natin? Of course, negative 1. Kasi automatic, ang variable na walang kasamang number ay mayroong 1 na katabi. And the factor na hinahanap natin is itong negative 1. So, we have 1 and negative 2. And then, of course, alam naman natin na ang factor ni x raised to 2 ay x times x. So, ilagay lang natin yan sa binomial factor. We have x, positive 1 plus 1, and of course, negative 2. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Therefore, nakuha natin yung tamang sagot na x plus 1, x minus 2 as the factored form of the general trinomial x squared minus x minus 2. As simple as that. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. And I hope ay may natutunan kayo sa akin ngayon all about factoring general trinomial. So kung ito ay nakatulong sa inyo, huwag niyo munang kalimutang mag-like, mag-subscribe, And i-hit nyo na din yung notification bell down below para naman palagi kang updated sa mga bago kong tutorials or sa mga ina-upload kong math tutorials dito sa YouTube. You can also follow me on my social media accounts in here, TikTok, Facebook, and ayan, para naman palagi kayong updated sa mga ganap-ganap natin, especially if it's all about mathematics. Okay? So always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Again, this is me, Mariel. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.